All cells need to clear out waste since they constantly acquire things including nutrients, RNA, proteins, and energy. Cells clear out waste by attaching a death tag, known as ubiquitin, to proteins that are no longer needed. The cellular machine that digests these proteins, tagged with ubiquitin, is an organelle known as proteasome. Proteasomes and ubiquitin also contribute to the cell cycle. The recurring sequence of phases that the cells go through in division are controlled by specific enzymes that moderate when the cell enters each phase of the cycle. After each phase, the enzymes associated with that particular phase are tagged with ubiquitin and destroyed by a proteasome. Finally, the cell can move on to the next phase of the cycle. So how do proteasomes help us? Researchers from the Technion Israel Institute of Technology were awarded a Nobel Prize for their research regarding the significance of ubiquitin and the proteasome. Their research found that ubiquitin-mediated protein degradation may advance the development of drugs against diseases such as cystic fibrosis and cervical cancer. So what would actually happen if we didn't have proteasomes? First of all, the cell cycle would fall apart, which would mean the organism would not be able to replicate cells or DNA. A lack of proteasomes would lead to neurodegenerative diseases characterized by clumps of accumulated abnormal proteins. Warning: lysosomes are highly dangerous and unpredictable. They are little bags that will unexpectedly explode and damage the cell. Lysosomes are the cause for Niemann-Pick disease, Hunter syndrome, Gaucher's, and Tay-Sachs disease. They are extremely dangerous and in some cases lethal. We also warn you to be aware of the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi is a liar. It claims to be the most efficient delivery system, but it's not. It doesn't follow through, makes big mistakes, and leads to diseases like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and Huntington's disease. The Golgi will hurt you. So if you were given the chance to choose which organelle was most important, wouldn't you pick proteasome? Because life without proteasomes would be unimaginable. So just remember, we want you to vote proteasome.